Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the best frijoles puercos. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 3 cups of beans, 1/4 of an onion, 1 small jalapeño, 1 minced garlic clove, chorizo, bacon, 4 New Mexico o guajillo chili pods, pickled jalapeños, chipotles in adobo sauce, your favorite melting cheese, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by cleaning our beans. Once we clean them, we're going to transfer them to a bowl. And we're going to cover them with water. So make sure that you add enough water because we're going to be soaking our beans. So they're going to soak up a lot of the water. So just fill up the bowl. We're going to cover it with plastic wrap and allow them to soak for at least 12 hours. Let me tell you that this is going to make a big difference when cooking time. Okay, so I'm just going to set them to the side. Okay, so I already soaked my beans last night, and as you can see, it is a big difference. The size, it doubled in size already. So these are our soaked beans. As you can see, they have doubled in size compared to the original size. And this is going to help us cook our beans in half the time. So now that we have them ready, we're going to remove the water. Okay, and once we have our beans ready, now we can make our frijoles de la olla. We're going to transfer our beans to our pot. We're going to add our onion, minced garlic, and jalapeño. And now we're going to cover our beans with 2 quarts of water. Okay, we're going to set it on high heat and bring it to a simmer. Once our beans comes to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. We're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 55 minutes. Okay, and after 55 minutes, our beans should be done. So we're just going to remove the lid. And they should be nice and soft. So here we're going to add our salt. And we're also going to be adding our chili pods. And just allow them to sit there for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our chiles are done. So we're going to transfer them out so we can blend them. And it's okay if you transfer some of the beans. So get 1 cup of the broth, transfer it with the chiles, and now we're just going to smash them so we can make our frijoles puercos. Okay, I'm going to be using my hand mixer and just blend the chiles. Okay, and once done, we can make our frijoles puercos. On my hot skillet over high heat, we're going to begin by cooking our bacon and just chop it into smaller pieces. And allow it to cook until it's nice and golden. Okay, after 7 minutes, our bacon should be nice and golden. So we're going to add our chorizo. Just begin to break it down and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. Or just until the chorizo is fully cooked. Okay, and after 3 minutes, this is what our chorizo and bacon should look like. So now we can get ready to add our beans. And just be very careful because the beans are a little wet. So you don't want that to pop on your face. So just throw them all in there. We're also going to add our chile chipotle. I'm using 2, as well as some of the jalapeños and its juice. And of course, our New Mexico chili pods. So just mix it before we smash them. Okay, once they begin to simmer, now we can get ready to smash them. And of course, depending on how smooth you want your beans, and it depends on how much you're going to smash them, I'm going to be using my hand mixer as well. Go a little low. Maybe a little faster. Okay, and just mash them until you have reached your desired texture. So once we smash our beans, this is how we like our beans. Of course, if you want them to be more smooth, then go ahead and smash them all the way. But I still like to see a little pieces of my bean and the jalapeños and just everything, the whole mix. Here is your chance to taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. For me, they are perfect. They are delicious. Let me tell you that it smells delicious. And of course, if you want them to be a little more drier, then just allow them to continue simmering until, you know, it has reached that desired texture that you like. And if you want them more runny, just add a little more broth. But for me, they are perfect. So now we can get ready to serve. And I'm just going to be adding more jalapeños. Oh, wait. Here we also add our cheese. I almost forgot the cheese. Can't forget the cheese. Just like that. Okay. And now we have and just like that, we have our puerco beans all done. Alrighty guys, so now we can serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, and the best part is that they're full of flavor. Everyone loves them. If you take them to a party, I promise you that they're gonna ask you for the recipe and they're gonna ask you to keep making them because they're just seriously the best. And of course, you can serve them in tostadas, in a burrito, and however you wanna serve them, with the side of barbacoa, your favorite main dishes, however you choose to serve them, I promise you, it's the best. So cheers and enjoy. The texture is perfect. They're not spicy, and you get to control that. If you want it to be more spicy, add more chiles. For me, they're perfect. You could taste the chipotle, the little smokiness from the chipotles, the New Mexico chili pods. You can taste it a little in there. Of course, the jalapeños, the cheese, the bacon, the homemade chorizo. So good. And like I said, if you want them more runny, you can always adjust that by adding more liquid. But for me, this is perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some super easy and delicious frijoles puercos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.